Hey everyone, it's time for another Tekken 2 plus a few, and I am still working on my digital batch display board, and I have used the arrange tools, align and distribute and group, to create these nice equidistant, carefully arranged shapes on my board. And I've used the paint roller, the paint format tool, to paint. But what I see here is, in my clicking around, I managed to move this box, and I want to avoid having that happen. Now, there are a couple ways we could solve that problem. Obviously, if you do it one time and you move it, but if you have multiple users using the same thing, you don't want that to be so easy to do. So one of the things people do is they will download a slide as an image, either a JPEG or a PNG, and then they will set that image as the background. Works fine. But what I like to do is use the master slide. So if you don't know, if you go to the slides menu, you have the option to edit the entire master slide deck. And you have the ability to change the font and the backgrounds. So maybe I want every slide in this thing to have the background black. But of course now the font can't be seen, so I'm going to want to change the color of my font to white. And you can see it changes it throughout the entire master deck. But I'm not going to do that part right now. Whoops. Go back to that edit master. I want to create a master slide, and you can see I've done that already. So this is that master slide here for slide 1. So what I do is I go down to the blank, and then I duplicate it. And I do that I like to make a new slide for everything. However, if I change or duplicate or delete slides in here, it doesn't affect master slides for other slide decks. And I like to rename it so that I make sure that I know which master slide I am editing. So you can pay up attention here. Now I have my original blank, as well as the one that I've labeled boxes. And I'm going to go over here to my slides, and I'm going to select all of those figures, and I'm going to cut those, Command or Control X. So I'm going to take them right off here, and I'm going to go back to that master, and I'm going to paste them in. And I like the pop of having the black background, so I'm going to go ahead and change the background on that master slide. Oops, not choose an image, choose a color. And there we go. And now I have this master slide. And you can get out of master slides just by clicking back into that bar. Now let's change the layout of this slide to my boxes slide. And now I have these nicely arranged, can't move them, boxes. Again, I hope that was helpful, and I will see you at the next Tekken 2. Ooh, we were Tekken 3. So Tekken 3 plus a few. See you next time. Thanks for watching.